Alright, so how do you actually upload a course to the Skillshare platform? It's actually a lot easier in my opinion and a lot faster process than it is on Udemy, right? So you don't really have to even do that much, and obviously it will go like super fast and super smooth for you if you already have that actual, the course copy, right? So to give you an example, if we pull up Udemy, let's pretend that I was going to upload entrepreneurship and small business mindsets for success to actually Skillshare, right? I uploaded it to Udemy, now I'm going to upload it for Skillshare. And I already have all the copy and the course stuff written for the entrepreneurship and small business mindsets for success, so it's going to go very, very smoothly when I go to upload it to Skillshare. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down for the teach window right here and hit create a class. And basically what that's going to do is take me to this window, and then you hit start a class, and then it takes you to this platform right here where all you literally have to do is upload your videos in sequence, and then hit class info. You input a title, you input the description. Both things I could take literally from this right here. So I'm copying my title. Make sure, like I said, it doesn't have to do with finances. So if your course is about finance and you clipped it, make sure you're obviously coming back to the title and the description, reading them through and making sure that they don't, go against the terms of service, tailor them to that, right? Because I made that mistake quite a few times, and I maybe didn't read through the description fully. Don't do that. So what you want to do is you want to copy it, right? Then what I'll do is I'll basically scroll it down a little bit and I'll read through. I'll make sure, okay, the title fits the terms of service. Okay, read through the description. Everything looks good, but like maybe this shouldn't be in there. Obviously, I'm giving you a random example. And then, pretty good. And then what you want to come do is one of the things that you need on Skillshare is a class project. But you do need a course project, and they suggest that you do put that in your outro. So I always just like, oh, thank you for taking the course. Here's your course project, and that's my outro. It's pretty simple, right? And then with Skillshare specifically, you are going to actually hit just a category, so you can sort through the categories. If it's like business, then you choose a subcategory, just like Udemy, right? And then you can select premium or free, because if you select premium, you're going to get paid for the premium minutes that you're watched. Plus, you can obviously give the course away for free too to accumulate free minutes, even though you won't get paid for them. Or you can just make it a 100% free course to basically, as we talked about before, create a lead magnet to pull people into your free course, and then they could potentially convert on your premium content. So it depends on what you do. I think on Skillshare currently, I might have like 18 to 19 courses, and I think 2 or 3 of them are free. Same thing with Udemy. Obviously, I have like almost 50 courses on Udemy, and there's like 5 free of them. So I'm selling the majority on Udemy, and then, there's a couple free lead magnets to get free students into my premium stuff. Same thing, same overall general idea on Skillshare, right? So I have like the majority of it's premium content, but then I have like 2 lead magnets or 3 lead magnets pulling free students in to other content as well. So just use that and use that to your advantage, depending on what you want to do. And then obviously you select your level. I literally always select all levels, but you can use your best judgment. It's up to you. And then think of class skills as like tags, right? So it's like tags based on that specific business model. So you can only have 7 of them on Skillshare when you're actually creating it. This is the longest part of Skillshare uploading to a course. It's super, super simple. So to give you an example, let's go through the class skills, and we'll use them as like tags, right, for this specific course example. So entrepreneurship and small business mindsets for success. So we'll go like entrepreneurship, and you'll see if it pops up, then obviously it's already a tag and you can use it. Now you can have one suggestion. So if it's not an actual tag on Skillshare yet, you can suggest one tag, and that can be your 7th tag, right? So you only get 7. It's going to start suggesting them to you as well. So like maybe I'm going to say like business. Let's see if like business pops up. So we can do like home business. That fits. And then we'll type business again, because there are more. Like business, small business clearly fits, right? And then like business, so maybe like business skills or business development, right? And then we'll see like maybe like what gets suggested to me. And obviously I don't think mindset's here. So maybe I want to suggest like mindset or like success mindset, right? And then you'll notice that it says create that tag, but you can only suggest and create one tag per course. So I already did one, right? So I can't create another. So if I was like, let's try Udemy, right? You can't create another tag, right? It's only going to let you create one. So keep that in mind. You can use 7 total. use them all, you might as well, but you can suggest and create one tag of your own specifically in case somebody's searching for that on the platform specifically, right? I don't know exactly what your courses that you're going to be making, but just something to keep in mind, okay? So if we go to the video lessons, it's super easy, super self-explanatory. So if we just upload a video, and I obviously don't have any specific courses on my laptop currently, because I usually I take them to my other it's like an easy store. I keep them like in an easy store file system. It's like digital. That way I don't have to worry about having like, you know, just loads and loads of video content on my computer, slowing them down. So every single time I create a course, I throw it on my easy store device so I don't have to worry about it. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm just going to upload 4 YouTube videos to show you exactly the process. But you're obviously going to have your videos in a sequence potentially. It will notice if I go to like videos, I'm actually recording one currently for this. If we go back to downloads and I just start uploading courses, we'll pretend that they're already in order. Boom, done. Uploading, now it's processing. Super easy on Skillshare. It's a little bit more longer and kind of like a process on Udemy. Just click them all and then they should all upload and start processing. And that's basically how you upload to Skillshare. It's super easy. You got your video lessons that you upload in sequence, right? And obviously you can like move them around. So if you like just click in there, you can order them and restructure them. You can also write a description. You can redo the title. So if your video is named something different, you don't like what the video is named at, just click on right here. And then you can rename the title. And then obviously, like we talked about before, if you already have it on Udemy, just copy and paste your title and your description. Just make sure it's for the terms of service, and common sense will tell you if you don't, then just create them. It's pretty easy. Then your class project, your categories, and your 7 tags you get to suggest one. And then pretty much once you're done and they're all processed, so you come back to the video lessons, you obviously want to save your draft too. And then you come back and you notice that they're all done and they're done processing. Hit publish. But remember, you can only hit publish once a week. Now, they will let you publish multiple ones, but the terms of service says once a week. So I would not recommend publishing more than one a week, okay? So remember when you hit publish, I actually have right here, like what I'll do if you can see this is it's like a calendar, right? So this is like when I schedule all my YouTube content, and you'll notice these little SS's. That's when I upload Skillshare, right? So today's the 17th that I'm recording. So what there's little Skillshares, right? So today I literally just uploaded that course that I took you through and promoted it. So I'm gonna write an SS right there. And that's basically what I do. I just keep track of it. It's very simple, but that's the uploading process.